In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to your Shopify store in a simple tutorial, 5 minutes. Klarna lets your customers pay over time or later, which can boost conversions and average order value. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into a Shopify account with the right permissions and that Klarna is available in your selling region. If you don't see Klarna later in the list, it's usually a region or eligibility issue. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, head down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes store controls live, including your payment setup. Inside Settings, go to Payments. This page shows your current payment setup and where you can add additional options. Look for the section that lets you add a payment method and click Add Payment Method. This opens Shopify's directory of payment providers that integrate with your store. Use the search bar and type Klarna. You'll see Klarna appear as an alternative payment provider. Click Klarna to view the available Klarna options for your region. Depending on where your business operates, you may see variations such as pay in 4 or pay later. Select the provider option that matches your needs and your location. If you're unsure which to pick, choose the one commonly offered in your market or consult Klarna's merchant documentation for guidance. With the provider selected, click Install. Shopify will add Klarna to your alternative payment methods. In many cases, you'll be prompted to connect or configure your Klarna account credentials. If you don't already have a Klarna merchant account, you can create one through Klarna's site and then return to complete the connection. Don't worry if this step appears later. The important part is having Klarna listed and ready to be configured. After installation, confirm that Klarna appears under your active payment methods. If you want it to be more prominent at checkout, review your checkout settings and the order in which payment methods are displayed. It's also a good idea to run a quick test checkout with a low-priced product to make sure Klarna shows up and functions as expected. If you have test mode available, use it to avoid live charges. Finally, remember that refunds for Klarna orders are initiated from Shopify but processed by Klarna's system, so allow a little extra time for those to settle. Keep your store policies clear about installment payments, and consider adding a note on product pages to highlight that Klarna is available. That's it. Klarna is now added to your Shopify store and ready to help you convert more shoppers.